So to start, I'm going to add some oil to my pan. Next, I'm going to toast my spices. I have Italian seasoning, white pepper and turmeric. Once the spices are fragrant, I'm going to add my pepper mix and onions. I just dice. Now I'm going to add in my fish. This is boneless, skinless tilapia fillets that I diced. I already seasoned my fish with some lemon juice, salt and white pepper. So because the fish has been cut into smaller bits, it's not going to take long to cook at all. Now that my fish is cooked through, I'm going to add some soy sauce. Then I'll just mix and leave it alone for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add some chopped basil for some color. Then I'll mix and turn off the heat. And that's it. You can serve this with rice, pasta, or eat it alone. Now I'm going to sprinkle it with some toasted sesame seeds. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you loved this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below on what you think. Don't also forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video, which is every Saturday by 12 p.m. Eastern Time or 5 p.m. West African Time. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.